Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rich, back with another Crispy Dubs Cards video. And today, do not have a blind bag, but we are continuing our double uploads to Halloween. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. We're opening up a lot of stuff this week. Just trying to basically give you guys content, give you guys stuff to watch. I know we have some cool stuff planned for the rest of the week. I know Jeff is going to be uploading some stuff, so I'm going to tilt this camera up just a smidge. I do apologize. Yeah, so we do have a lot of stuff. Make sure you guys are slapping that like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that bell notification for all of our new videos. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. It's always good to see you. I know this is my first video of the day. I am planning on filming another one with a very popular product. Something that you wouldn't think would be very popular, but yeah. Apparently it's really, really, really is. So, as you can see in front of me, I have Bowman Chrome and Topps Chrome. Today is going to be a comparison of the two. I mean, obviously they're both Topps products, technically. So, the goal is just to see, as we compare them, which is better. You get 10 packs in the Topps Chrome. You get 5 base packs and then 2 special packs. So, you know. And as far as odds, I don't know what auto odds are. But I think auto odds in these are really bad. If I remember right. Yeah. So, I've been kind of trying to get away from this stuff, but it always seems to pull me back. I believe this has been in my collection for a while because I've just been avoiding opening it. But we'll go with the Topps Chrome first, and we'll see what we can find. We have our nice piece of styrofoam. If you guys have opened Topps Chrome before, if you guys have pulled... So here's an odd thing. So me and Jeff have opened this stuff. We pull more autos from just blasters than we ever do from the megas. Don't know why. So, if you guys have that same luck, please let us know, because we are really confused by that. Alright. Diving in to some Topps Chrome. You do get one of those X Factor parallels in each pack. So, let's see what we can get. Alright, Patrick Corbin, Yohan Moncada, Clark Schmidt, a 35 years Luis Garcia, and a Trevor Story X Factor. Now, the problem that I have with this is that it's not that I dislike the product, but you don't get hits because you get X Factors most of the time. Tyler Glasnow, Yordan Alvarez, and a Isaac Paredes. Yeah, so they're like, well, you know, we're not going to put hits in there because you get X Factors. And I was like, well, it's just a prism. It's nothing special. Jesus Sanchez, Justin Upton, Luis Patino, and a purple Max Kepler. That one is number 2. That one's 219 of 299. Now, that, you know, like the X Factor cards are cool, but they're just like the green cards in Gypsy. You get one every pack, so it, yeah, Lindor, Carlos Santana, Eduardo Escobar Prism, and a Max Scherzer. So it kind of deteriorates. If these X Factor Prisms were, or the parallels were like super special and random, then that'd be cool. But yeah, Gio Urshela, Marcus Semien, Didi Gregorius, and a Luis Arias. Now, and I love Topps autos because they're all on card as well. So you don't get sticker for the most part. I've never gotten a sticker one from Chrome this year. Not saying they don't exist, but I haven't got one. DJ LeMayu, Max Fried, Alex Verdugo, Josh Hader, Prism, and a Dane Dunning. It's just... I wish they boosted their odds just a smidge, just a tiny little bit. Nate Pearson, Jack Flaherty, Charlie Blackmoon, Marco Gonzalez, and a Lance McCullers Jr. currently in the World Series. All right, here we go. Michael Conforto, Timmy Anderson, Christian Yelich, Sonny Gray, a Kyle Lewis Gold Cup X Factor. Very cool. 2 more packs. This box is going exactly as I predicted. Alejandro Kirk, Luke Voigt, Jazz Chisholm, Edgar Martinez, and a Dalton Varsho. Yeah, and don't think I'm not dogging it because I don't get autos. That's not it. It's just more of at the price point that it is, you'd think that you'd get something. Ketel Marte, Cherokee Arrieta, Matt Chapman, Alec Bohm, Gold Cup, and a Anderson Tejada. So there that is, guys. I hope you enjoyed that run down Chrome Memory Lane. It might be the last time you see it. It's a whole lot of the same stuff. All right, there's a, okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed something. We got an extra pack. You get 5 and then 2. And clearly that is not 2. That is 3. We got 3 bonus packs. All right. Jeff just said that one has an auto. Apparently this stuff specifically is like fireballs right now. I was at the store today and a guy in front of me bought 8 boxes. He said he was pulling, he just was basically pulling auto after auto after auto, and he said he bought 4 boxes last week, got 3 autos. So he was buying 8. Good luck to him. I hope he does pull a bunch of autos. Now, I will have to say, I hope that this box was one of those boxes that I hope I snuck a auto by him. All right, Freddie Freeman, Miggy, Kyber Ruiz, Luis Patino, and a Spencer Howard. I know it's kind of surprising I didn't open up Bowman Platinum today. Xander Bogaerts. There's a Kiel Badu rookie, but always with those up to the side. Yerman Mercedes, Jose Garcia, and a Garrett Crochet. I do fumble my words sometimes. Jeff, you're allowed to make fun of me when I do that. Jose Ramirez, JD Martinez, Bryce Harper, George Springer, and a Clark Schmidt. All right, guys. So this is our rare pack. Our rare box. We have 3 Chrome bonus packs. Now, these are the packs that you want. These are the Fireball packs. These ones are fun. All right, so we have a Christian Santana to start it. Tyler Freeman. A Yolik Cespedes Dawn of Glory. Julio Carreras, and a Shaylin Polanco. Shaylin. Interesting. All right, here we go. Pack number 2 of the bonus packs. All right, here we go. Luis Medina. Mick Abel. A Dawn of Glory Asa Lacy. Grayson Rodriguez, and a Jordan Adams. And this is our, I don't know which one is like the super bonus of them, but okay, that's weird. So this pack came out backwards. This is how I pulled it out backwards. So let's flip it around. I don't know if there's something special about this. Okay, here we go. There's a Reed Detmers. All right, you were right. We have a Nick York auto from Boston. Again, as you can see, that's an on card. And the card behind it is orange. And it is 1 out of 25. Jeremy De La Rosa. Okay. Wow. Okay. A Alexander Vizcaíno and a Francisco Alvarez to finish it up. So I don't know why that pack was set up like that. I don't know why we got 3. But I hope not complaining in the slightest. Just a very odd, but yeah, guys, jeez. All right, so we didn't get anything out of Chrome. I know, shocking. Or Topps Chrome. But we did get 1 out of 25 Jeremy De La Rosa and a Nick York auto. Again, on-card auto. Look at those. Beautiful. And they're both in the Prism Tracks. Wow, that is awesome. So this totally redeemed itself. But I mean, you can see all the color we got here too. Look at all that. Those are awesome. Yeah, guys, that was... Whew. Just to give you guys a little teaser for my next video, just because I want, just so you guys can understand. This will be in our next video. So if you guys like football and you like these power cubes, because everybody seems to like these things, they're coming back at you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the little Chrome comparison. That's the main reason why I did this, just so I could show you guys the difference between Topps Chrome and Bowman Chrome. Personally, much prefer Bowman Chrome. And it's not even just... It's not just... just visually speaking. I know I'm still talking at you guys. I mean, the stock feels better on the right. And I know this is a special card. But even if I go here, these... I like the way that Bowman Chrome looks. I think it's a lot cleaner look. The way that the name is it's not angled, it's not tiny, it's a big name. You can see it, you can read it well. It's just, I think visually speaking, Bowman Chrome is just the superior product. I mean, and that's just one man's opinion. I'm sure when Jeff gets on his videos, he can give me a rebuttal and let me know what he thinks. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. I don't want to keep going. I could go on that for hours. But make sure you're liking, subscribing, hitting that bell so you can get caught up with all of our videos. If you like Bowman Platinum, if you like Bowman anything, if you like football, if you like everything, come on back, because we got lots of stuff to do all week. So that's it for Topps Chrome, though. All right, guys. Until the next one, say bye, Coco. See you later, guys.